Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to sign up on Betfred.com. For that, we need to get into any browser and search for this link, that is betfred.com/register. After which we get into interface like this. Here we need to follow these 5 steps. At first we need to enter our email address. Now we need to create a username as per our need. Now create the password. Now we need to tick mark over here to confirm the terms and conditions. After we are done, simply click on continue. After which we get into next step, that is we need to enter our personal information here. And once you are done with all of the details, simply click on continue. After which we need to enter our contact information. Once your contact information is done, we need to enter our address details. After which we need to continue with the settings information. Once all of this is done, we need to simply click on continue. After which the opening account or registration process will be completed. So that was all we need to do to register or sign up in Betfred. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.